How to delete your Homescapes account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Homescapes account permanently. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Homescapes app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And once you are inside the app, to begin the account deletion process, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen and it will open up the settings menu. Now in the settings menu, simply look for the delete account option, and once you have located that, simply tap on it. Now here, read through the warning carefully and it will inform you that all game progress, purchases and account data will be deleted permanently. So tap on continue if you are sure, and after that you can simply tap on delete and confirm by selecting OK. And once completed, the app will automatically close and your account will be scheduled for deletion. And that's it. Your Homescapes account is now deleted. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.